When considering whether to buy Genju AI, there are a few things you should know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. If you've been looking into generative AI tools for your company, you've probably come across several options. But Genju AI offers something unique for businesses in Malta, and here's why it might be the perfect solution for you. First off, Genju AI is designed specifically for businesses in Malta, which means it's tailored to meet the needs of local companies. While other generative AI tools may be more generic, this one is built with the local market in mind, making it a more relevant and targeted option for businesses in this region. Next, it focuses on simplicity and efficiency. Unlike some competitors that have steep learning curves or complicated setups, Genju AI is designed to be easy to use. The setup process is streamlined, and you can quickly start using its features without wasting time on complex configurations. The third thing you should know is that it automates several time-consuming tasks, from acquiring online reviews to managing appointments, messaging, missed call follow-ups, and even invoicing. Everything is automated. This can save your business a lot of time, allowing you to focus on more critical areas while still keeping your operations running smoothly. Next, Genju AI doesn't tie you into long-term commitments. It offers a 7-day free trial with no contracts, so you can test out all the features without worrying about being locked into something that doesn't work for you. This is a refreshing difference compared to some of the more rigid, contract-heavy solutions you might find from competitors. The fifth thing to know is that it's scalable. Whether you're running a small local business or a growing company, Genju AI adapts to your needs. It helps businesses grow and scale with ease, unlike other tools that may only be effective for one-size-fits-all scenarios. Now, let's talk about its integration with other tools. It works seamlessly with popular platforms, meaning you won't have to juggle between multiple apps or face technical roadblocks. This smooth integration process helps streamline your workflow, unlike other AI solutions that can make the process more complex. The seventh thing is its focus on customer service. With its messaging automation and follow-ups, Genju AI ensures your customers always feel heard. In contrast to competitors where you may need to pay for extra customer support, Genju AI includes this as part of its core offering. Next, it helps with your business's online presence. By automating the review acquisition process, you can increase your company's visibility and reputation. This gives you an edge over competitors who might not offer this level of automated online marketing support. The ninth point is security. Unlike some generative AI tools that raise privacy concerns, Genju AI is built with data protection in mind, especially for Maltese businesses. You can be confident that your business data is secure, which isn't always guaranteed with larger international platforms. The 10th thing to consider is its ease of use for your team. Some AI tools require specialized knowledge to operate, but Genju AI is designed to be used by anyone on your team, even without tech expertise. This can be a huge benefit over tools that require a steep learning curve or specialized staff to manage. Next up, Genju AI is always evolving. It's regularly updated with new features, improvements, and optimizations, keeping you ahead of the curve. Some of its competitors may not be as proactive in terms of innovation, so with Genju AI, you're getting an AI tool that's continuously evolving to meet the needs of modern businesses. The 12th and final thing you need to know is that it's priced competitively for small and medium businesses. While many competitors charge high fees or create tiered pricing systems based on the size of your business, Genju AI offers straightforward pricing, making it affordable for a wider range of businesses. So, is Genju AI worth it? In many ways, yes. It's a solid choice for Maltese businesses looking for an easy-to-use, scalable, and efficient AI tool. However, if you want a better option, I recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free with no strings attached. You'll be able to test it out for yourself and see how it compares.